Friends, today I want to discuss a very interesting topic, that is the differentiation. So, firstly, we discuss about the different terms, that is the constant, variable, and the function. Then we discuss about the differentiation. Firstly, what is the constant? Constant which remains unchanged. That is, the values are fixed, which are standardized. That is the value of the pi, which is 3.14. Okay. Now another term is the variable, which change with respect to time. That is the with respect to another variable, and it is equal to the, for example, x, y, z. Okay. Now the function. To understand this, let's take an example. To understand the functions, let's take the example y is equal to fx, where f represents the function. Okay. Y, it is the function of x. Then if the value of the y is this, then we take the value of x, put the value of x in y, then we find out when x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 12. These function also gives us the relationship between the two variables, that is the x and y. Okay. Now the differentiation. The process of find out the derivative or differential coefficient of the function with respect to the variable. Now I explain what is the differential coefficient of the function. So if we increment the function, then we write it as y plus dy or y plus delta y. Now I want to show you when we write y plus dy or when we write y plus delta y. If we write the increment of the above example, then it is y plus delta y is equal to f x plus delta x. Now we find out the change in function of the value y. Y plus delta y minus y is equal to f x plus delta x. x plus delta x. So delta y की वैल्यू क्या आएगी? f is equal to f x plus delta x minus f x. Now we divide both the values of delta x, then delta y upon delta x की वैल्यू आ जाएगी. फिर हम उसकी जब लिमिट लगाएंगे, x को हम इज इक्वल टू 0 कर देंगे, x अप्रोचेस टू 0, then we find out the value of dy by dx. Now what is the meaning of dy by dx? It is the ratio of the smallest increment of the function y and the variable x, also called the average rate of change of y with respect to x. ये dy by dx हमें क्या बताता है कि उसकी जो वैल्यू चेंज इन वैल्यू हुई है y की विद रिस्पेक्ट टू x, वो हमें dy by dx उसका जो डिफरेंशियल कोफिशिएंट है वो हमें उसके बारे में बताता है. अब हम ये एक प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करेंगे, y इज इक्वल टू एक्स स्क्वायर, देन फाइंड dy by dx. सो फर्स्टली पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ y in d by dx, it is x square. Now dy by dx is equal to 2x. Why it is so? Because the power of when we differentiate, then the power is shifted in front of the variable, that is x, and the power is minus with 1, less is decreased by 1, that is 2x की power 2 minus 1 is equal to 2x की power 1 is equal to 2x. So the answer is 2x. Okay. Next problem is y is equal to 1 by x. So students, now we will discuss about a problem which is given when the variable is in denominator, not in the numerator, it is in denominator. dy by dx is equal to dy dx into 1 by x. Now the power is minus 1, so minus 1 firstly shifted in front of the variable, that is minus 1, x की power minus 1 minus 1. So minus 1 x की power minus 2 dy by dx is equal to minus 1 by x square. Okay students, now the results used in the above examples are now shown in this theorems. These are known as the theorems of the differentiation. If dy by dx of c we want to find out, then it is equal to 0, where c is the constant. The differentiation of the constant is always equal to 0. Now dy by dx, another property is we find out the differentiation of cu, where c is the constant, u is the function of x. If u is the function of the x, then answer is c du by dx. Now the another theorem is y is equal to it is given with both plus and minus when we add the variables and when we subtract the variables. Then we find out the differentiation of when we add the variables, then it is equal to du by dx plus dv by dx plus dw by dx. It is possible only if u, v and w are the functions of x. If they are not the function of x, then answer is 0. So guys, understand this. If u, v and y are the function of x, then dy by dx is equal to du by dx plus dv by dx plus dw by dx, and it is applied in the subtraction also. Now y is equal to u into v. Now it is the multiplication property. Now it is the formula given in this. We understand this. dy by dx is equal to d by dx into uv. Firstly, the first variable u is written in front of dv by dx and v is written in front of du by dx. Okay, it is the formula, so understand this formula. Okay, next, y is equal to u upon v. Now the division property, it is equal to the dy by dx is equal to v du by dx minus u dv by dx upon v square. Another theorem is if y is equal to x की power n, where n is the real number, so it is equal to the n. I also repeat this theorem with the help of examples. Previous two examples are based on this theorem, that is the power is shifted in front of the variable and the power is subtracted with minus 1. Okay, subtracted is 1. Okay, now the problem is if is equal y is equal to under root of x. Now under root, when we written under root, it is equal to the power minus 1 by is equal to the power 1 by 2, not minus 1 by 2, power 1 by 2. Then we find out dy by dx. dy by dx is equal to d by dx of x की power 1 by 2. 1 by 2 x की power 1 by 2 minus 1, dy by dx is equal to 1 by 2 x की power 1 minus 2 upon 2. If we take the LCM, then it is equal to 1 minus 2 upon 2. Then another we find out dy by dx is equal to 1 by 2 under root of x. Okay students.